learn to play this Dum Surfer by Krule. Starts out with a D major 7. I'm just playing it at the 2nd fret. But all these chords are interchangeable. You could play any form you want of these chords, but this is the easiest. You get the open D as your root, and then you just bar across strings 1, 2, and 3 at the 2nd fret. And then I go to a D sharp major 7, but I'm not playing the root anymore. You could, if you want to play the root, you could play it like this. But I think it's fine if you just slide up and just leave the root out. Then we go to B major 7. And I'm playing the same form of it. The B is here, and so we have a B note here on the E string, but we also have the E note on the D string. Well, this is the 7. So on the D string at the 9, we have a B. Then we go to the 7. We play a B minor 7. You can play the full thing, but if you want to just continue with this easy theme, you could go 7. Just bar across the first 4 strings now. Yeah, that's pretty much the whole song. And then that's kind of like what's being played, except it's being played, I played it on this part of the fretboard, being played up here. So that's this is an extension box. Your root is going to be at the 14th fret. Playing the F minor. We're playing F minor. Anyways, here's so you get an extension box. Watching, thanks for that request.